Hi, Alex here from Redeveloper.com and welcome to this tutorial series cleverly entitled Christmas Calendar. So let's dive in. You guessed it right. We are going to have each and every day a new tutorial on this channel till Christmas. So, without further ado, let's see what we are going to learn in this series. And if you have been a good boy or girl, maybe I will bring you your favorite tutorial. So, we are going to cover sign in with Facebook and Firebase, and we are going to do that with the new Firestore. And we are going to talk about how to create a custom Xcode template. Interesting. And of course, as I told you already, we are going to talk about CollectionKit and TinyConstraints and a lot more coming soon. Okay? Hope you enjoyed this preview of the calendar, and I will see you in the next one.